Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to produce a very beautiful laundry soap at home. You can see this my laundry soap. It's very beautiful. It looks like cheese. It looks like cheese in that you know. So I'm going to teach you guys how I produce this soap to come out looking like cheese. So just watch this video, follow my steps, follow my measurements. If you wish to practice this at home, just follow my steps that I'll be using, follow the measurements I'll be using so that you can also produce your own soap looking as beautiful as this. So you can see over here I had divided my palm kernel oil. I'm using 700 grams each of palm kernel oil in two different containers. Then I'm making use of peanut oil or groundnut oil, and I also divided it. I'm using 300 grams each. So my first container contains 300 grams of peanut oil and the second one contains 300 grams of peanut oil. Same thing I did with my palm kernel oil. I divided it. I also divided my caustic soda in two different containers. Each of the container I'm making use of 106 grams of caustic soda. I used two different caustic soda in different containers. I divided my oils into different containers, also divided my caustic soda into different containers. I did same thing with my water. I'm using two separate waters. I'm using 400 grams each. I divided the water for 400 grams each. So if you want to produce something like the cheese laundry bar, so if you want your soap to look like cheese is actually a type of biscuit the white usually produce. It has tiny holes. So I decided to produce my laundry bar soap and make it look like cheese. I think most of you here should know what cheese is. It's a popular cookie or biscuit that the white produce. So I tried to make my laundry bar soap to look as beautiful as that. So this project is not actually very hard. It's simple. It's not hard at all. So just watch, follow the steps. You'll be able to do it yourself. And also, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link to join my online class. I organize classes on WhatsApp. If you wish to learn more about soap making, just check the description of this video to join my online class on WhatsApp. Then over here is the mold and the material that I use in achieving that cheese-like shape in my soap. You can see this material or this nylon inside my soap mold. This nylon is usually found in new electronics. If you buy a new television or a new fan or a new DVD and you open the carton, you will find a nylon like this that has all these small shapes on it. So I got this nylon. It's actually gotten from electronics when you buy new electronics. So I removed it from a new electronic and I decided to use it to make my laundry bar soap. It's a very popular nylon. I'm sure everybody watching this video knows about this nylon. So that's what I use in achieving the design, that cheese design on my laundry bar soap. Also, I have ebooks for sale. If you wish to purchase an ebook, if you want something that looks like a book that you could be using to be learning skincare and household formulation at home, if you wish to have a book that contains the formulation, the recipe, and the processes on how to produce these things, if you wish to own an ebook, reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen to purchase my ebooks. Just reach me on WhatsApp to purchase this ebook. It's very informative. If you are a learner in soap making, or you are a learner in any kind of production like body cream, detergent, and you want to become an expert or improve, then I think this ebook is for you. It has a lot of recipes, formulations, and processes on how to produce a lot of products like the laundry bar soap, the detergent, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, the bleach, the Dettol. There's a lot of things you will learn there. The body cream. So just reach me on WhatsApp to purchase the ebook if you need it. So after 24 hours, I came back to my workshop and the soap is hard. So I'm going to take it out of the mold. Wow, you can see how beautiful this looks like. It's having the design of cheese. You can see this is very beautiful. It looks like cheese. But please don't eat this soap. It is a soap, it's not cheese. So that you will not think that it is cheese and come and eat it. It's not edible. This is soap. This is not cheese. This is not biscuit. It's just creativity. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button to be updated about our new videos so that you will not miss anything. You'll be updated. Don't forget to share this video with people you think that will love to produce something like this at home. This is a very beautiful laundry bar soap. It's very beautiful. So don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Very important. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye.